today we are going to show you an amazing property in Rajarhat near New Town, Kolkata, which is situated in Vedic Village. As you can see, it's a duplex bungalow. In 3,500 square feet, you're getting an amazing garden space along with a parking space where you can easily park 2 cars. Come on, I'll show you the inside. Over here, you're getting a storage space which is quite big. You can keep anything over here. Let me show you the living space. This is a beautiful living space. You can easily host parties, call your friends, invite your family even. Over here, you're getting this beautiful view of this lake. I'll show you. You can sit for a cup of coffee over here while enjoying this beautiful pool view and lake view. And you can see it's in a very good society. Lots of families are here as well. Now let me show you your kitchen. This can be yours. It's a modular kitchen. You can customize it any way you want. You're getting a great space over here. You can have this great view while you're cooking. It can be yours. Over here, you can see there's a very spacious bedroom. You'll have ample of space to keep your furnitures, and over here you're getting your first bathroom. It's quite spacious as well. Over here you can easily make your shower area. You can customize this the way you want. Let me show you the best part about this room, which is this view. You must be wondering, where is the best barbecue place in this city? It's right here. You can host your barbecue nights over here, right over here in front of this beautiful lake view, and this can all be yours. And one more thing, just beside your kitchen you're getting a security room for your safety. Let me take you upstairs. Right over here you're getting this huge space. Over here you can create your study or your walk room, and you're getting this beautiful view outside. Now let me show you a second bedroom, which again comes with an amazing view. You can easily plant your trees over here, make a garden over here. It's your wish. And you can see it's a very big space. And over here we have your second bathroom. The best part, it comes with a bathtub. Now this was the garden I was talking about, which comes again with an amazing view. This is the best part about this duplex bungalow. You are getting beautiful view wherever you go, surrounded by a lake, which is a very plus point in a city like Kolkata. See over here. It's a very beautiful lake. You can sit here in the summer evenings and enjoy a hot cup of tea or coffee. Over here you're getting your third bedroom, which is as spacious as the last two. And again the same bathroom you're getting over here. The space is huge and you can customize any way you want. And again the same thing, the lake view, which is to die for. Sit here and watch the sunset, which is extremely beautiful from this place. Last but not the least, you're getting this beautiful terrace. You can easily play badminton over here, cricket over here, even football. And one more thing, I'm putting my number on the screen. You can directly call me for all the info you need about this duplex villa, which is priced just at 1.45 CR.